So, how do you make friends with Filipino people? Let's talk about it. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jesse. I'm back with another video. Once again, my fiance, she's still gone. Decided after doing a video edit that I would do another video. I've just fair warning to some of you, some of my videos, their audio is not working very well. It's most of the videos where I'm sitting outside on my porch and it's raining, and I guess the audio kind of messes up because of that. So I'm trying to think of new ways to deal with that kind of issue. Yeah, it's something it's annoying, is what it is. It's completely and utterly annoying. So you guys, hope you guys are doing great. Today, let's talk a little bit about how to make friends with people in the Philippines. This is something I really enjoy because I'm a friendly person. As you know, I have a lot of anxiety when I'm around people, and that anxiety gives me energy, and that energy makes me friendly, and I like talking to new people, I like meeting new people. It's fun, it's amazing. So let's get into it. So if you're going to come to the Philippines, one of the things that I've talked about many times is how friendly the Filipino people are. The Filipino people, they're always smiling, they're always happy, they're very loud, they're very animated, and that might seem scary at first, but that's just their personality. That's who they are. They're not shy. They're not shy people. They're not what many people would think of when they think of Asia. They think of, a lot of people think of like the Eastern Asia, where people are a little more quiet, a little more reserved, and I guess shy, you could put it. The Philippines is not like that. The people here are loud, they're happy, they're friendly. I guess they take a lot from their Spanish descent. They get a lot of that from the Spanish descent, because I tell you what, I have a lot of friends in the military who are from Mexico and who are from Spain, those kind of areas, and they are also very loud, very happy, very friendly, and they love to talk and have a good time. So it's probably one of the things that's what I would say is the golden rule. Just smile back. Be happy back. Say hi. Say kamusta, which is hi, how are you? Which comes from, actually, kamusta comes from the Spanish phrase como estás, which means how are you? And kamusta is a standard greeting. Although I will say, most of the Filipinos I've met who even talk to each other when they're meeting, they usually say hi. They don't even say kamusta anymore. They say hi, and how are you? So I would say that's the golden rule. Just be happy, smile, say hi, ask them how they're doing, and strike a conversation with them. Let them know that you're not a scary person. They may may be a little shy at first because they may not know English that well. So just be friendly. Be friendly back. They're smiling. They're happy. They want to talk to you. So at least say hi. Another thing that's very important that I see is very common in the Philippines, actually, is family and friends and everybody always hanging out over some nice food. Of course, rice. Believe me, you better have rice with that food. But that's one way I really see people come together in the Philippines. They're just they bring some alcohol, and they have, most of the time they have alcohol, and they have food. They just get together, they're laughing, they're joking, they're having a good time. And that's something that is, I think is really important in the Filipino culture, is eating together and enjoying your time together with other people through food and laughing and drinking a little, that kind of stuff. Red Horse, will be your best friend. Red Horse and Tanduay will be your best friend to make a best friend in the Philippines. Red Horse is a beer here. It's a strong beer for people who have not drank Filipino beer before. It doesn't, you won't think it's strong until it hits you. Tanduay is I think it's rum. Yeah, Tanduay is rum, and it is good. I think get a 750 milliliter bottle for like less than $3. It's cheap. The same with I think the Red Horse is even cheaper than that. Or it's about $3. And I think the Red Horse is even cheaper than that. Make friends with some of those alcohol. Bring it as a gesture of kindness and friendship. Also, I would recommend to learn some basic Filipino phrases. Salamat, which means thank you. Again, most of the time, or not most of the time, but a lot of the times, I still hear Filipinos say thank you. I don't really hear them say salamat as much anymore, but they do say thank you, and they'll say you're welcome. I've never heard a Filipino say you're welcome in Tagalog or any other language than English. It's always you're welcome, which I think in Tagalog it's like walang anuman or something like that. I learned that a long time ago. Po, which is a sign of respect. If you want to, especially for if you're talking to older people, you want to address them as po. Or if you're at a store or a restaurant and they bring you food, waiter, or they bring up your stuff, just be kind. Just say thank you po or salamat po, something like that. It shows that you have respect for the people who are helping you. Sarap is delicious. That's another one you'll need to know if you're having food together. No sarap, because you will need to know it because the food is delicious. Might I suggest, food-wise, I'm not a big pork person, but lechon is really good, especially the fatty part of the pork. Really, really delicious. I don't eat pork much, but when I do, that is my go-to here. I don't ever eat pork in America unless it's just a plain cold ham sandwich. That's it. So, there you go. I would also suggest to find some good music. You want to make friends with people in the Philippines. One of the things you will definitely want to get to know is some good songs that you can sing. Filipino people love their karaoke. That's something that I had to learn to do. I still don't do it unless I'm drunk. And I have to be really drunk. Because they always want me to sing, but I always say I'm not drunk enough. And usually the only time I get drunk enough, I can't think of any time that I haven't, is when it gets to the point where within an hour or two, I've blacked out and I'm in bed. So I don't like to sing. I'm very shy, but that's a good point. When you're having food and you're drinking together, do karaoke. I'm telling you, the Filipino people love karaoke, and many of them are good singers. And even if they're not, when you're drinking, it still sounds good. That's why I wait until I'm drunk and everybody else is drunk before I sing, because I can't sing worth crap. Listen to my voice. I have this thick Kentucky accent. You think I can sing good? Heck no. But most of them can sing really good. My fiance, she sings really good. Her brothers, they sing good. And her family, a lot of them sing good. So I highly suggest that you learn some music. So even if you don't sing good, they will compliment you. The next thing, don't take things so serious. Filipino people, they love to joke, they love to laugh. Joke around with them. Have a little bit of fun. Just be goofy, be silly, be yourself. And don't be afraid of upsetting people, and don't get upset. Don't take things so serious. That's something that I highly suggest. And finally, Filipino people, a lot of them really love two big sports that I've noticed: boxing and basketball. Go to a boxing match with your Filipino friend. Go to a basketball match with your Filipino friend. They'll love it. I've noticed, especially basketball. At least here where I'm at, my fiance's family love basketball. They're always having basketball matches at the basketball court. People are always going, watching, having a good time. So, join some kind of community like that. Have a little bit of fun, enjoy yourself, watch some basketball, watch some boxing. I like boxing personally. I don't like basketball that much, even though I'm from Kentucky Wildcats, everybody bleeds blue, blah, 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 blah. I don't care about that stuff myself. I like boxing. I haven't been to an actual match, but I've watched it on TV and on my computer. Do something like that. Have a little bit of fun. Go out. Don't be boring. Okay, that's basically all I can really say about that. All right, guys. So that's my advice to you when you want to make some Filipino friends. Try out stuff like that. Don't be shy. Don't take things to heart. Have fun. Eat, drink, see a basketball game, go to a boxing match. Be yourself. And the Filipino people, let them be themselves. Let them laugh and joke and smile, and you'll have a good time. You won't regret it. Okay? So you guys know that you are valuable and that you matter. And please like, comment, subscribe, all the great stuff. Till next time, guys. God bless. Peace out.